Hi guys, this is 2008 Holden Barina. So I'm going today replace the front brake pads. So we have to first remove the wheel and we have to little bit drain the brake fluid. So I'm going to suck it out for the excessive brake fluid through the brake sucker. So you can see the brake rotor, some slight marks in here. This rotor need to be replaced, but this time I'm not replacing this rotor. I don't care about it, so I'm going to replace for the front pads only. So first I turn this way and 14 mil bolt. And with the driver, I'm going to push down to the backward to the piston. So you can see this piston. This is a brake pad. I push the backward. All good. Okay, you can see the front pad. This one is completely worn out. So you can see here the edges, the slight marks in there, but this rotor can't be machining, so because the undersized the rotor. But I'm not replacing the rotor, only change the brake pads. So here got the new brake pads. You can see feel the different. So the old one and the brand new one. So I put some grease in the edge. Like this, and put in here. So I put the lubricant on the brake pad edges, then go like this way. Done. You can check the sliding pins, the grease in there. This one also. To the brake caliper pins. So after close the brake caliper and put the 14mm bolt back in. And the both nuts start tighten like a hand tight. So all good. After that we install back in the wheel. So after that I'm tighten the wheels and lift down the car. So the same procedure for the left hand side also. I already replaced that side. So then after we have to check for the brake fluid levels. It's alright. All good. Tighten the cap. So this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.